Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. I hope you are liking my videos. If you like, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon in order to get all the notification regarding IELTS and immigration purpose. And today we have some big news about latest federal skills trade program that is a good way to move the Canada as a permanent residence. So it is a very good program that you require only minimum qualification, and its requirement is very easy. Everyone can get this requirement, fulfill that requirement. So first of all, let's check out what are the requirement, what are the features of this program. So who are the eligible for this program? The federal skills program is skilled worker who want to become the permanent resident in skilled trade. You must have qualified in the skilled trade in order to get PR in this field. In this express entry program, you have to be qualified in the skilled trade. So what are the minimum requirement is that first of all you have the meet the basic requirement. Like, let's check out what is the basic requirement of the English proficiency, and you must have to qualify just CLB level 5 speaking and listening and CLB level 4 in reading and writing, which is quite low. That is a very good news for the people who have very low band in speaking and listening and reading and writing. That is the IELTS CLB level 5 and CLB level 4. That is the big news for this program, that its language requirement is too low. So next of all, you should have at least 2-year regular work experience within the 5 years, and this one is for your national occupation or skill trade. For that you have to apply for full-time employment and for 1 year or any certification of qualification that is the issue by the Canadian provinces. To apply, what you need so you need proper high secondary education, and that is the post secondary institution or senior secondary education, means up to high school. Language ability, I have already told that. And where do you live? If you are outside of Canada, you can also apply for this program, and you have to move to one of the following territory and province like Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, Quebec, and these all are Yukon, Saskatchewan. These all are the main provinces where you can move. So this one is a basic requirement for this program, and the students or candidates who have skilled worker program in these groups, like major group 79, where you have the industrial and electrical and the construction trade. Second one is maintenance and equipment operation trade. Third one is supervisor or technical job in the natural resources, agriculture and the related production. So group 92 consists of processing, manufacturing, utility supervisor and the central control operator. Group 632 contains the chef and cooks, and 633 butlers and bakers. These are the main groups. The students who belong to these groups, they can apply for this provinces program. You can, by completing the minimum requirements and minimum language ability, you can get easily PR over there. So these are the main basic requirements of this. For more detail, I will update the link of this website and Canadian official website, that government of Canada.ca, in the description box. You can check it out in the description box for the complete news. So this is the main news, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, share this video as much as possible and subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon in order to get all the notifications regarding the IELTS and the immigration process. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.